Hello guys, reuse smartphone Maxcom MS571. This version 3 GB memory and 32 GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. Okay, in completion we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, headphones, and instructions on this documentary. Okay, now talk about device. We have 5.7-inch display, protected body on this device. On this side, power key and power button and volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card, a micro SD card for memory, and smart key. Upside without controls, downside Type-C port. Downside we have headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. IPS display, HD resolution. CPU MediaTek MT6739, Android 10 we have on this device, and look results. Single core score and multi-core score, and GPU by PowerVR GE 9100. Look into the benchmark results. Okay, close this and run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the medium graphic level and little lags. Glitches we have. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.